Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this story is not available on Instagram. So guys, if you are facing this type of problem, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, firstly you have to check every story if it's showing in every story. So you have to check stories one by one. If it's showing this type of error, this story is not available. So as you can see guys, it's showing some stories. So if you are facing this type of error to a particular account, then what you need to do is just simply go back, and let me tell you that this is because of he is deleted his story after posting, or Instagram will delete his story due to some community guidelines. So if you are facing this type of error to a particular account, then this is not the fault in Instagram. And if you are facing this type of error on every story, then what you need to do is just simply open settings first, and now from here what you need to do is just simply tap on general. Now from here you have to go to iPhone storage, and from here you have to wait for a while, and then you have to locate for Instagram. So you have to offload the app from here and then reinstall it. And after that what you need to do is just simply hold this one, and then you have to remove the app, and then you have to restart your device, and then you have to reinstall the app, and after that check whether it's fixed or not. And if the phone signal is there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and then you have to report to Instagram team. For that you have to tap on this, then tap on three lines. Now go to settings. Now from here you have to go to help. So from here you have to create a report to Instagram team, in which you have to give this screenshot of your problem, and after 24 hours your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.